Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and we're back dealing with combinations. Our job today is to choose teams, a team, individual teams, I guess. How many teams can we choose of 3 boys and 3 girls from a group of 8 boys and 7 girls? Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to just confirm that we're dealing with combinations, not permutations. And the simple fact is that the presence of a person in a team is really has no effect upon that team, whether they were chosen first, second, or third. They're in that team, and that is it. They are individuals. And so order of choice is not important. Right. So we have 8 boys and 7 girls. We have to choose 3 boys from the 8. That's this setup here. And we have to choose 3 girls from the 7. And the important thing to note here is that our answer will be this multiplied by this, because it is all of these possible combinations matched up against all of these possible combinations. So if you think back to something like throwing 2 dice, although that is a permutation, the number of possibilities, the possible outcomes of one die, as opposed to the possible outcomes of another, 6 times 6. So whatever we get for this, we will multiply by this to find what it is we need. Now, a quick reminder about the formula involved. This is N choose R, which is an extension of a permutation formula. Can be written like this. This is its form in factorials. Number of choices, factorial, over the number of choices minus the choices factorial times the choices factorial. R is the number of choices you actually get to make. N is the field from which you choose those. You'll see it written like this sometimes, and I think it appears in calculators in this form. Okay, let's get to work. So let's set this all up. We have 8 factorial being our choice of rather the group of boys we can choose from, over 8 minus 3, badly written, my apologies, which gives us 5 factorial, obviously, times 3 factorial. Over here we've got the girls, pretty much self-explanatory, I hope, and again we are multiplying. Right, so what does that give us? Well, here's some working. Let's get all of this in focus. And what have we got? Well, 8 factorial across the top, 5 factorial in here, 3 factorial in here, quite a bit of cancelling, some more tidying up here, and we wind up with 8 times 7 over 1, which gives us 56 for the boys, which we will multiply by our outcome for the girls, which is 35. Right, so here is an answer I prepared earlier, as they say. Where have I popped that? Here we are. Right, let's get my piece of paper. 8 choose 3 possible combinations, 56. 7 choose 3 possible combinations, 35. There are 1,960 possible teams that can be chosen from a group of 8 boys and 7 girls if we have 3 boys and 3 girls in each of those teams. Thanks very much for watching. I hope this was helpful. See you next time.